In this video, I'm going to show how to configure the different settings on the Ferret receiver. To configure the different settings, you use a magnet presenting it to this reed switch to cycle through the different settings. To pair a transmitter button, swipe a magnet to the reed switch once. The green LED will flash, then after 3 seconds, the red LED. Now operate the button or input you're looking to pair. The green LED will flash 3 times to confirm the pairing. So now I've paired my transmitter button. You'll notice that when I press and hold the button, the relay will energize for as long as I hold the button. This is known as continuous momentary action. So the relay can also operate in an on-off latching action. And to set this, we swipe our magnet once, twice, wait for the red LED to flash, and now when I present my magnet again, the LED will come on and stay on. So we've now set the relay to on-off latching. To change this back, we repeat the steps, swipe once, twice, and now we just swipe again to switch the red LED off and let the receiver time back out. To change the modes of operation on the Ferret receiver, we swipe a magnet once, twice, 3 times to select the modes of operation, wait for the LED to flash, and now we can just cycle through the different modes of operation, with each LED flash representing a different mode of operation. So we'll just cycle through these. So we've got 8 flashes for LoRa mode 7. If we swipe again, it cycles back to FM or FSK. So we're going to select LoRa mode 3, so 4 flashes. Let the receiver time out. And we can now operate the Ferret in LoRa mode 3. So to erase transmitters, you have to erase all pairings. And to do this, cycle through to menu 6, swiping your magnet 6 times. Six flashes for erase pairings. Wait for 3 seconds, and the rapid red LED flashing confirms we've erased all pairings. And that's how to configure the settings on the Ferret receiver. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or let us know on support@rfsolutions.co.uk.